So, hello, my dear friends. Welcome. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I want to explain you. Uh, See, in chemistry, we have elements. We have more than 125 elements so far mentioned in the CBSE science book in chemistry. But really, it's a tough job. It's a difficult for a student to go through all the elements serially, right from atomic number 1, 2, 3, like that. In this episode, I'm just showing you a small trick, a very simple way how to memorize at least first 20 elements of our periodic table. So first 20 elements of a periodic table right from the atomic number 1 to 20. Now first see what are those 20 elements serially according to their atomic number. Now have a glance. Pause this video and copy it serially, because this serial is according to the atomic number. Means if hydrogen is 1, means atomic number is 1. Second, helium, lithium, like that. So till our 19 is potassium and 20 is calcium. You just copy it, and I will just give a very simple trick how to remember all these 20 elements in your brain serial wise, that too serially. Okay, I think you have copied this one. Now you see, I will tell you a small story. Generally, when two students or people meet, what will be the first conversation between them? The first one will say hello, the second one will say hi. Or the first one will say hi, the second one will say hello. Isn't it? So the conversation will start like this. Now what happens? Maybe one person who is coming, on the way he saw a scene. What is that scene? A car. See, I am not good in drawing, but this is a car, these are the wheels. Okay. Now here what happened? He saw that the car was burning. The car was burning. And below the car, a lion is lying. What happens? The lion, what he feels that if he comes out, maybe he will burn with the fire. So to keep himself safe, he is below the car. What? Below the burning car. But here, the lion is feeling a little bit uneasy. You see, it's a common. If you are also there in front of a fire, you feel uneasy. Why? Because there you will feel some breathing problem, because when you inhale, you take in oxygen. But the surrounding oxygen, all the oxygen is going to the fire, because it's the best supporter of combustible, isn't it? So maximum oxygen goes to the fire and it helps to fire. So what happens? Immediately, automatically, you will have a lack of oxygen. So you will feel uneasy due to the lackness of oxygen, isn't it? Because the all oxygen is busy to making the fire to glow. Same thing happens. Now see the dialogue sentence. Lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life. He thinks. The lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life. Now, when the friend is going, on the way he met his friend. By seeing his friend, immediately he reacted by saying hi, and his friend replied hello. Say hi, and the other one is responded by saying hello. So H for hydrogen, He for helium. Hi, hello, hydrogen, helium. Isn't it? How easy. Now he said the whole story what he has seen on the way, that the lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life. Lion, Li. Below, B, beryllium, Be. Burning, B. Car, C, that is carbon. Nitrogen needs oxygen, O. Fluorine, F for a new life, neon. So, hi, hello, lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life, for new life. How easy? You remember this hi, hello, hydrogen, helium. Lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life. You just put out all the first one letter or two letters, isn't it? Now, this is a simple way to learn 10 elements, the first 10 elements of the periodic table. Now, we will just see what are the other from 11 to 20. So, here also, I will just give you one small story. You see, on the street we used to see many magician person. What they used to do, that here what one person has seen, that one person, the other person, what he has seen, that there were 6 phones in his hands, and all the 6 one by one, and all the 6 phones one by one he is throwing in the air and he is catching. See what a perfect calculation. All the 6 phones means 2 phones are in his hand and remaining 4 phones are in air. All means the moment the other phone comes to his hand, he throws the other one. So like that, it's a trick. 6 phones he is throwing in the air and he is catching. What a beautiful, fantastic scene the magician is doing. Of course, it's a practice. It's not a magic, but practice makes him so perfect that very calculatedly he is throwing all the 6 phones. Now, you see the elements right from atomic number 11. First we will see 18, and then 19 and 20 we will do separately. 11 to 18. What is the first one? It is sodium. Sodium is symbolically represented as Na. Why? Because the sodium original name is natrium. So it is referred as Na, natrium. Okay. Then magnesium. Magnesium. Then aluminium. Phosphorus. Aluminium. Phosphorus. Then sulfur. Chlorine. 18 argon. 19 potassium. Potassium's original name is kalium, so it is represented as K, and the 21 is calcium, Ca. Now you see, if we rub and we will make a symbols, is a chart right from atomic number 11 to 20. The 11 is sodium and it is symbolically represented as Na. Why? Because the original name of sodium is Na, natrium. So with that we got Na, natrium, Na. And second is magnesium. Now what the story I have told you? A named magician is throwing all the 6 phones, isn't it? All 6 phones in air and he is catching. So well calculatedly. That was named Na, magician Mg, and what he is doing. And second, 13th one is aluminium. Aluminium is Al, all. Aluminium means Al, all. Silicon, Si, 6. A named magician, all 6 phosphorus phone. All 6 phones, phosphorus. Now, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Sulfur, superbly. And here chlorine, Cl, calculatedly. Argon, aired. हवा में फेंकना. ठीक है. A named magician, all 6 phones superbly, calculatedly aired. If a trick was seen on the street, what will happen? So he really deserves some rewards. So when his art, when the king came to know, immediately he called him. King, potassium, the original name is Kalium, called calcium, Ca. So a named magician, all 6 phones superbly, calculatedly aired. King called. So how easy to remember this? Hi, hello, lion below the burning car needs oxygen for life, for new life. And the second question, the other one is saying that a named magician, all 6 phones superbly, calculatedly aired. By saying this, a king called. So this is a simple trick. If you go on saying this, so once you are habituated with the sentence, automatically you can put on the symbols or elements names, and it will be very easy for you to go through the first 20 elements of the periodic table. So practice this. We will see with one more interesting thing. Till then, bye.